Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. My name is Vanji. Today, we're exploring the Baldivis Indoor Sports Complex located at 531 80 Road, Baldivis. Malapit lang ito sa Rockingham and sa Kwinana Freeway. Maraming napunta rito that are leaving from other region or suburbs like Rockingham, Mandurah, Kwinana, and etc. Isa ito sa pinakabagong leisure facilities sa Baldivis region na kinilala bilang isa sa pinakamagandang sports complex sa Australia. This is where the magic happens. As you can see, sa labas pa lang ng complex, it seems very welcoming. Dito nagsisimula ang ating tour. Okay, lakad tayo. So look, the complex offers ample parking space for visitors, making it convenient for everyone. Meron ding malawak na parking area para sa mga bisita, kaya napaka-komportable. O siya, lakad muna tayo until we reach the entrance, okay? Oops, silip muna tayo from here. Okay. Look. Ayan. Ayan ang ating mga kababayan na naglalaro ng basketball. Ang ganda ng loob, di ba? State of the art ang interior. Nakakainganyo maglaro. Okay, lakad pa tayo. Carry on, carry on. Ayan, look. Hang on, balik. Baldivis Indoor Sports Complex. O, di ba? Ang ganda na ba kakakuha ko? Okay, sige, lakad pa tayo. Yes. Hey, gulat naman ako din. Ganda naman dito. Yes, siyempre. Nagkaka ka na, vlogger ako ngayon. Oh, nakita ko. Ayan, may mga grupo na ng mga parokyano na naglalaro dito sa complex. Parang indoor football yata yung sport nila. Pasok tayo. Oops, yan. Okay. So, welcome to Baldivis Indoor Sports Complex. Tara! Upon entering, you'll find the reception area where you can ask for information. Uy ka na? Ay. Diretso muna tayo sa loob ng complex, okay? Nandito nga pala ako ngayon kasi sinamahan ko yung asawa ko. May laro sila ng basketball. So here's a closer look at the basketball court. So it's well maintained and equipped with top-notch facilities. And the complex is not just for basketball. You can also see groups of young women playing netball. So diba sinabi ko earlier na sinamahan ko asawa ko tonight kasi maglalaro siya ng basketball. Every Tuesday night and sometimes on Fridays and Sundays, you'll find many Filipinos here playing basketball. Ayan, yan sila oh. So, it's a well-known fact that wherever there's a basketball court, you'll find Filipinos playing. So, okay, tara. Silip muna kayo while they're playing. So, let me introduce to you Basketball Nights. This basketball group has been officially formed in 2016. By 2014, nagsisimula pa lang asawa ko with this goal na magkaroon siya ng mapaglalaruan ng basketball kasama ng ibang Pinoy. So, sa Rockingham pa sila noon. Mahirap nung una kasi hindi sila priority sa booking dahil may mga regular na parokyano sa Rockingham. Kaya we are thankful na nung itayo ang Baldivis Indoor Sports Complex, I think 2023 when this complex was officially open to the public, nabigyan ng priority ang basketball nights sa court schedule. So, thank you sa mga mababait na staff ng Baldivis Indoor Sports Complex. Ito naman si Sammy, asawa ko. After the game, help naman siya sa pag-score kasi isa siya sa mga committee ng basketball group na ito. Ayan. Closer look at the basketball court. It's well maintained and equipped with top-notch facilities. Okay, balik naman tayo sa lobby. So, makikita nyo sa kanan ko, andyan yung mga multi-purpose rooms that can be used for various activities. Hindi ko lang sila makunan tonight kasi mga sarado na. Lakad tayo. Going to the lobby. So, we're now here at the lobby. Ayan, yung mga comfortable seats nila para sa mga bisita. Then, sa kanan, you can find the cafe. So, where you can grab some quick snack or drink. Yan. So, that's a quick tour of the Baldivis Indoor Sports Complex. It's a fantastic place for the community to come together, stay fit, and have fun. So, kung nakatira kayo sa Baldivis o sa mga kalapit na lugar, siguraduhin bumisita at maksaya. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!